All right. Sit.
Okay. This is Dr. Bontleone again from Dermatologist Choice. And these are two of our products. The Facial Enhancement Cream with the non-neutralized glycolic and the TCA Pads, Glycolic TCA Pads. Now what this is about, this is a special instruction video. I want you to understand these are real medicines that are real acids that are not neutralized. They will cause dryness usually. They can turn you a little red because they want to penetrate into the second layer to get rid of the wrinkles. And they also get rid of the top layer of dead skin. If your skin gets dry from them, you have two choices. You can use them every day for a week, take a week off to leave it heal up, or you can use it twice a week, every week, just enough so it doesn't cause any dryness. Pick one of those two choices. Use it once a week, use it 1 week, off a week, or use it twice a week to try to avoid the dryness. And always use the moisturizer in the morning, or if you have a lot of trouble with dryness, after you've used the medicine at night. Special instruction, please listen to these instructions and email us for any questions.